A fine morning to all. How are you? Are you all fine? I am your social teacher. Now we are going to see the second chapter. The chapter name is The Revolt of 1857 and Socio-Religious Reforms. In the previous video, same chapter, half chapter we completed now. Can you remember what are the things we saw in the previous video? Yes, we saw what are the things means? Causes of the revolt of 1857, Sepoy Mutiny, events of the revolt. Now we are going to see the remaining things. What are the remaining things means? The effect of the revolt, socio-religious reforms. About these people only we are going to see in this video. Are you ready, students? Okay. Students, next we are going to see the heading effect of the revolt. Revolt means what is the meaning? Take violent action against an established government or ruler. See, the English East India Company fought back and the British were able to crush the revolt using all their power. The last Mughal emperor, Bahadur Shah Jafar, was captured and sentenced to life imprisonment. The British regained all territories and captured and killed most leaders of the revolt. What is the meaning for this? I told already. The last Mughal emperor is Bahadur Shah Jafar. He went to prison. Prison means jail throughout the year. After he went to jail, English East India Company and the Britishers captured all their territories and they started ruling. See the next paragraph. Immediately after the revolt was suppressed, the rule of the English East India Company was ended. India was brought under the direct control of the British Crown. Queen Victoria was declared the Empress of India and the first Viceroy. Lord Canning was appointed to govern India as a representative of the British Crown in India. See, after that English East India Company stopped to rule the country and India was brought under the control of the British Crown. British Crown means as a symbol of the power and authority. That is the meaning. Next, see this person. This person name is Queen Victoria. She was declared as the Empress of India and the first Viceroy. Viceroy means what is the meaning means? A ruler exercising authority in a colony. Next, Lord Canning was appointed to govern the India. Students, shall I ask questions from this? Listen. Who was declared the Empress of India? Yes, Queen Victoria. Very good. Students, next thing we are going to see some social reformers. Who are they means? Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Swami Vivekananda, Dayanand Saraswati, Annie Besant and Syed Khan. Shall we go now? Who is the first person means? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Started the Brahma Samaj which worked towards abolition of sati and child marriage, encouraged widow remarriage, rejected the caste system and so on. The banning of sati in 1829 by the British is attributed to his efforts. What is the meaning for this? Raja Ram Mohan Roy started the Brahma Samaj and he against the abolition of sati and child marriage. Child marriage means in olden days 10 years boy and girl they together marry. And widow remarriage means if husband died means that lady can again marry. That is called widow remarriage. And rejected the caste system like Hindus, Muslims we should not separate. All are equal. And he banned the sati in which year means 1829. Next one is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Fought for the rights of widows to remarry. Based on his efforts, the British officials passed a law in 1856 permitting widow remarriage. He also believed that everyone should be allowed to study Sanskrit and not only the Brahmanas. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, he fought against the widow remarriage and he passed a law for the widow remarriage in which year means 1856. and he said that only Brahmin should not study the Sanskrit language. All the people can learn that language. Like that he proposed. Students, have you all understood up to this? Shall I ask some questions? Who started the Brahma Samaj? Yes, Rajaram Mohan Roy. Who passed a law for permitting the widow remarriage? Very good. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Students, next one is we are going to see about Swami Vivekananda. Have you heard about this person already? Listen. Swami Vivekananda established the Ramakrishna Mission to help the reform the Indian society and spread education. He condemned the caste system and believed in the essential unity of all religion. He started the Ramakrishna Mission. For what purpose? Means to help the reform of Indian society, and he want to spread education to all people. Then he also restrict the caste system. He also want to unite all the religions like Hindus, Muslims, Christians, like that. Next one, Dayanand Saraswati founded the Arya Samaj in 1875. He attacked the custom of child marriage. He fought against idol worship and opposed the caste system. Dayanand Saraswati, he founded what means Arya Samaj, in which year means 1875, and he attacked the child marriage. He also restricted the child marriage, and he also restricted the caste system. He want to worship all the people, worship all the God, like that he said. Have you understood, ma? Okay, let us see some question answers now. Who started the Ramakrishna Mission? Swami Vivekananda. Dayanand Saraswati founded what? Very good. Arya Samaj. Students, next thing we are going to see about Annie Besant and Syed Ahmad Khan. Annie Besant was the president of the Theosophical Society in India. She was a champion of women's right and fought against the child marriage. He also against the child marriage, and he encouraged the women's right. Like women want to go to school and study, and he want equal rights. All the women want equal rights, like that. Annie Besant fight. Next one, Syed Ahmad Khan started the Aligarh movement. He realized the need to promote Western education amongst Muslims. Syed Ahmad Khan, what he said means he started the Aligarh movement, and he want to promote that to Western education all of the Muslim people. Students, see this picture. Who are all? This person name is Rajaram Mohan Roy. Next person is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Next one is Swami Vivekananda. Next, see this person, Annie Besant. Next one, Dayanand Saraswati. Next one, Syed Ahmad Khan. About these persons only we saw now briefly now. Have you all understood up to this? Okay, we can see in the next video. Thank you.